In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Jotform to manage and collaborate on an appointment request form. This process is straightforward and allows you to work seamlessly with your team or collaborators, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Let's dive in and explore each step carefully so that you can make the most out of Jotform's collaborative features. First, you'll want to navigate to your appointment request form within the Jotform form builder. This is where everything starts. Accessing the form builder is super easy and only requires you to log into your Jotform account. Once logged in, find your form list and select the appointment request form. This is where you'll not only manage your form but also incorporate any collaborative features available. It's always a good idea to double check that you are working on the correct form to avoid any future confusion. Now let's move to adding collaborators, a crucial step for those working in teams or sharing responsibilities. Within the form, look towards the top section of the screen where you should find an option labeled Add Collaborators. Clicking this will open up a new window giving you the opportunity to invite others to participate in form development. Adding collaborators effectively allows your team to make live edits and changes, providing a platform for real-time cooperation. Whether you're collaborating with one person or a large team, this tool will help avoid bottlenecks and miscommunications. The final step involves sharing the collaboration link. This step is key to enabling your team to access and edit the form as you all work jointly. Once you've opened the collaborator window from the previous step, you'll notice a copy link button. Clicking this will copy the unique URL directly to your clipboard. From there, you can easily send the link via your preferred communication method, such as email or chat, to those you wish to collaborate with. Make sure everyone who needs access receives this link. Sharing doesn't just foster collaboration, it ensures that everyone can see updates or changes as they occur, offering insights and suggestions instantly. With these simple steps, you can fully utilize Jotform's collaboration features and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your form management. Whether it's coordinating between a large team or simply sharing a form with colleagues, Jotform provides the necessary tools for seamless collaboration. Remember to check that all invited collaborators have access, and you'll be well on your way to a smoother, more coordinated